Is the machine learning with Python course on Coursera actually worth it? And can it really help you get into machine learning? In this video, I'll give you a quick and honest review so you can decide if it's the right course for you. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take multiple courses in data science or machine learning, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple courses under one plan and build a complete learning path instead of paying for each course separately. I've linked it below if you want to explore it. Now let's talk about the course. The program is Machine Learning with Python by IBM. This is an intermediate level course with over 600,000 learners and a strong rating of around 4.7 out of 5. It's designed for people who already have basic Python knowledge. So, if you're a complete beginner, you may need to learn Python first before taking this. Now let's look at what you actually learn. The course covers key machine learning concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning. You'll work with algorithms such as regression, classification, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. You'll also learn how to evaluate models and improve performance using real-world techniques. One of the biggest strengths of this course is the practical approach. You'll build models using Python libraries like Scikit-Learn and work on hands-on labs and projects. This helps you understand how machine learning works in real applications, not just theory. Another advantage is flexibility. The course is self-paced, so you can learn on your own schedule. Now let's talk about the downsides. This course focuses more on application than deep mathematics. So if you're looking for a very theoretical understanding, this might feel a bit light. Also, since it's intermediate level, beginners may find it challenging without prior Python knowledge. So is it worth it? If you already know Python and want to move into machine learning, then yes, this is a strong and practical course. It gives you hands-on experience and a solid foundation to build on. But if you're just starting out, you should begin with a Python basics course first. Now here's the smart path. Start with Python fundamentals, then move into data science, and finally take this machine learning course. That's where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can follow this entire path without paying for each course separately. At the end of the day, your results will depend on how much you practice and apply what you learn. If you want to explore this course or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.